AI video generation have gone too far that we are able to generate optical illusion videos with AI, and you can use your text or even your images to make these kind of illusion videos. And these are few examples of how your video will look like. So you can use your logos, your images, and even your own preferred backgrounds. And the best part, that this is totally free to use. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you guys can do it too. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. So first of all, head over to the Pecan Apps Discord server. This is a free AI video generator, and if you don't know how to access this, simply go to the pecan.art website and then scroll down a little bit and select Join Beta, and you guys will be redirected to their Discord account. And now we are on the Discord account, where you can see we have a lot of distraction over here because a lot of people are generating videos here. And to get rid of this, simply click on that icon and now right click on Pecan Apps and select Message button. And now you can see we have our own separate space to work with. Now simply tap / and now you can see we have two new options over here, encrypted image and encrypted text. So Pecan Labs have just introduced these features to make illusion videos. So first of all, we're gonna try encrypted text. So I'm gonna click on that. And in the message box, you have to type the text that you want in your video. So let's say I'm gonna type brain, and in the prompt section, you have to type on what background or where you want to place your text. So I just type Amazon rainforest and now simply hit enter. So this is the output video. We have the text brain in between these woods and leaves, but this is not visible, right? But don't worry about that. We have the command for that. And that command is -w. W means the weightage value, and we have the values between 0 and 2. So I'm going to type the maximum value, that is 2. And if you want to change the font style in your video, you also have that option. So simply click on that plus button. And now you can see we have two options. So simply select font. And here we have 5 different styles of font, like modern, cosmic, sans serif, Bauhaus, I don't know how to pronounce it, and retro. So I'm going to select sans serif and let's generate. So this is the output video, and now you can see the text is clearly visible. But you can see we have very slow movement in it, and to add motion in it, you can use other commands like dash, camera, zoom in. So if you want to learn more about the commands, I have made a dedicated video on that, so you can watch that video where I share all of these commands in a simple way. So if you want to get best results out of it, you should definitely learn these commands. And now you can see we have a really good zoom in effect in this video. Now let's talk about the next feature, that is image encryption. For that, tap / and select encrypt image, and now you have to upload your image. So let's say I'm gonna select this image, and this is the Apple logo, and in the prompt section I'm gonna type mountains, and I'm also gonna type the image weightage value, that is -w2, and I'm gonna type the motion value 2, and I want a zoom in effect, and let's generate. So this is the output video, and you can see we have that Apple logo kind of mountains. But if you want to get the best results out of it, I would prefer you to use your own background. For that, again type / and select encrypt image. So this time I'm going to use this image, and to select your background image, you have to click on that more icon, and now select image and upload the image of your background. So let's say I'm going to upload this image, and this is an image of a beach or an ocean, and in the prompt section I'm going to type ocean and water, and now hit generate. So this is the output video, and now you can clearly see our input image in the video, and you can notice that it replaced it with mountains, clouds and water waves. But you can see we have a very less movement in this video, but you can easily add motion in it by typing the motion commands. So if you guys want to master these commands, I will highly recommend to watch this video where I explain everything. So that's how you guys can create these kind of optical illusions. So this was just an idea, and I believe that you guys can generate better videos than me, because this is totally free to use and we don't have any limitations over here, so you can explore a lot of things. So that's it from this video, and if you guys find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.